Hello friends, welcome once again to my weekend trips, and today I will take you to another very important and popular tourist spot in Kanyakumari. The place is known as Padamnabhapuram Palace, also known as Kalkulam Palace. It is a Travancore era palace in Padamnabhapuram, which is in Kanyakumari district. This palace is over 400 years old and it is considered to be the largest wooden palace in Asia. It is spread over an area of 6.5 acres, so it's quite large. It has over 15 edifices, and every bit of it is a magnificent complex which boasts of intricate woodwork that highlights the outstanding skills of artisans of the past. Padmanabhapuram was the historical capital city of Travancore. It is around 20 kilometres from Nagercoil and 39 kilometres from Kanyakumari town and 52 kilometres from Thiruvananthapuram. So it is very near to, or you can say in between, Kanyakumari and Thiruvananthapuram. The palace is situated near the Veli Hills, which is part of Western Ghats, and the Valli River close nearby. The Padmanabhapuram Palace complex consists of several structures. Mantrasala, which was the king's council chamber. Thaikotaram, which was constructed before 1550. Natakshala, which was the performance hall, a 4-story mansion at the center of the complex. Thekkekottaram, the southern palace. The Padamnabhapuram Palace complex has several other interesting features. The palace lies in Kanyakumari, which is in Tamil Nadu, but is actually controlled by Kerala government. The clock tower in the royal complex houses a 300-year-old clock that still works. A large hall that can seat roughly 1,000 people and was used for ceremonial purposes. In the event of emergency, the monarch and his immediate family members and their entourage had an option to flee to another palace which was located several kilometers away via a secret route. It is said that that route is closed now. The name of that palace was Charatu Kotaram. A flight of steps leads to the bathing pond, which now is not used, so you will find a lot of dust and dampness there. And then the palace complex have many interesting objects. The entire room is filled with old Chinese jars, which has been given as a gift to the monarch by the Chinese merchants. There are a variety of weapons which would have been used in the warfare, including swords and daggers. There are like paintings which depicts the history of Travancore. There is a wooden cot which is made up of 64 pieces of variety of medicinal tree trunks. So there are a lot of things which are interesting to see in this place. So if you are on a trip to Kanyakumari, make sure that you visit Padamnabhapuram Palace. It's a quite an interesting place. The good part is that you can actually club little bit of other tourist spots together. You can go to Chitral Jain monuments. You can also go to say Sujindram temple, which is also on the way. So actually Sujindram temple, Chitral Jain monuments and Padmanabhapuram Palace, you can club them together in your trip. So definitely it is a wonderful place to visit. The museum is quite big. The palace also is quite big. So you will definitely like it a lot. So hopefully you like this information. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.